Just a couple of things worth considering in your affiliate marketing campaigns, folks. You build your know, like, and trust factor up with your community and you've got good relationships. Just understand that not everyone in that community is wanting to make a purchase straight away. That's absolutely fine. I was one of those people. I spent 3 to 4 months doing my own research and getting my finances ready before I made a purchase. There might be other people that leave the community that don't want to make a purchase. That's absolutely fine too. When I came round to make the purchase though, the person that was running the community still asked me some questions, which was awesome because they were clarifying that that product was everything that I was expecting it to be, so that when I made the purchase, that relationship could continue on strong. And I'm obviously a person that might make another purchase in the future, whereas if the clarification hadn't have happened, the relationship could have been broken because the product was wrong for me. So that's something worth considering, folks. On the flip side of that, you may have someone binging the content outside the community and they come in and want to make a purchase straight away because your content's already built up that know, like, and trust factor with them, so they feel like they already know you. You once again need to make the clarifications to ensure that that product's everything they expect, because if not, then the relationship goes south. You know, they're not a customer of yours in the future and they've left your community altogether with a sour taste. So some things worth considering, folks. So I'll leave those with you and wish you all the best. Take care and good luck.